What's up, my friends? Hello, Greg. Oh, it's going great. How's everybody doing? What's the market doing?
Waiting for us.
Waiting for us to come catch a mega trade.
East time.
Works for me. Works for me, my friend. Where's Grizzly at? Where's Grizzly Glauc?
Was here.
He was here, and now he's somewhere. Got some blueberries to start the day. Feeling good. Not seeing a lot in terms of individual names that I like. Oh, hold on. I got you. We do have some demand on Tessie down near like 446. We'll have to see how we react. After approaching six likely leads to good morning, everybody. Top of the day, Team DOD. Team DOD. Whoops. Team DOD. Team Discipline over Dopamine. Oh, yeah. $200. AMD. Hold this resistance likely. Sorry, guys, I'm getting my morning watch list out. Becomes getting my morning watch list out for Team Bowl. Team Bowl money team of Team Bowl, baby. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ugh. Got the blueberries on deck. No bananas today, so we had to use blueberries. Yes, C Price. Good morning, bro. Happy birthday. Yep, I'm watching Tesla to the downside too. I have a bounce at 445, 446. Besides that, yep, we're getting it, baby. So you got gold. Damn, gold's been getting its way up to all-time highs again too. Strong. Gold's looking really strong. Let's go see here. Got our all-time highs back up at 45.84. Broke above this aggressive red candle here. Trying to close above it again. Made the higher low. If we can hold above like 44.90, I think we could see some upside in gold today too. That's definitely a possibility for sure. Hey, my Nuggets. Finally got a dub. We're playing very, very short-handed. What's up, Crazy Glock? How you doing, bro? Well, it's time, baby. Tyler, you know what we're going to work for? We're working towards another 50K payout like the 50K payout I got from Apex before, baby. Come on. Come on. The 50K payout will live on. Today is actually the last day of 90% off Apex evals. So if you guys haven't tapped in and got your accounts loaded up, now's the time. Now is the time, my friends. I don't work at Gold's, no. Work out at Gold's. I have a membership at Gold's in Cheyenne, Wyoming, but yeah, that's my biggest payout, 50K. I do like Hotworks too. You guys know I'm a Hotworks fan. We'll be trading NQ. I was just looking at some levels on gold too. Undecided. Stay patient. My pre-market plan is out too in my channel, everybody, in Team Bull. My pre-market plan is out. I can't say the same. Yo. As a reminder too, guys, my next free live training is 1 week from today. Who's all coming to my next free live training? Who's all coming in the next free live training with your boy Jdun Trades from Team Bull Trading? I'm putting on free live training and master classes all 2026. Well, only like 1 a month or maybe 2 a month sometimes. I genuinely like doing them too. Fun. Tuesday, January 13th. It'll be at 7 p.m. Eastern time on Tuesday, January 13th. Yup, 7 p.m. Eastern time. You won't regret it. You guys will not regret it. You guys know I put on a clinic in those. It's for beginners and intermediate traders. Yep. Finally, using DOD, I'm able to remove my emotions and manage my trades and finally see green. That's great. We catching a banger today, Grizzly? You bet we are. There's only one right answer to that. There's only one right answer to that, everybody. Just like there's only one right answer to who's winning the Super Bowl. Damn. What? I don't think so. His heart is hurting. Yeah. The BSI hit him one too many times. Bro's sad. Woo! Excuse me. Da don't. What do I expect for today? I mean, I don't expect anything. I think that if we get above a move above 25,700 on Nasdaq, I will look for longs. Like basically, if we can build above yesterday's highs, I'll look for some longs in an uptrend. If we start moving below yesterday's lows and pre-market low, I'll look for a downtrend. But right now, we're kind of in this range, so it's tough. It's tough to really have a solid game plan when we're stuck in a range. What I will do is stick to my playbook. Stick to my playbook of setups I know work and stay patient and execute them. As a reminder, guys, you got to tap in. If you guys want 90% off Apex, use code Jdun. The sale is extended till the end of today. 14 more hours. No. Nice. Smart move. No. 50K. There we go. No. It's got 2 more Apex accounts. Who's rocking with code Jdun? Who's rocking with getting their Apexes funded and paid out with your boy Jdun? There we go. Daniel is. You use code Jdun, you choose DOD. You choose discipline over dopamine. You choose discipline over dopamine, baby. Tradeify is cool too. Tradeify is a great funding firm. Great funding firm. Don't. I don't know about you guys, but I think I'm going skiing again soon. You're supposed to get dumped. So ready, bro. I think I might go skiing again this weekend. I'm thinking about it. Bro, I've been like 10 or 11 days so far this year. I had a lot of days under my belt. It's my favorite thing to do. Torn MCL Sunday skiing. Oh no. It's always kind of low-key been my my worry. Man, that's the worst. Especially as you get older, too. It's like, I'm too old to be tearing ACLs and MCLs and getting injured and shit. I don't got time for all that. You feel me? Sorry that happened. I'm very sorry that happened. Oh, today's a good day to do what, Team Bull? To choose DOD. That's what it's a good day for. It's a great day for, as a matter of fact. Hopefully you guys have all been taking what we went over in the free live trainings. What we've talked about every day leading up to 2026 and applying it. That's the only way this works out for you is if you guys make change. I'm going to watch some gold too today. I'm going to keep that on the screen with us as well. We're going to keep the gold with us. And guess who's coming out today too? It rhymes with Jdun. His name's Paydun, baby. That's who's coming out. Bro said you haven't even turned 30 yet. Wait till then. What up? What you doing, bro? Well, you didn't text me back, so I want to make sure you were awake and good. I bet. How was Asia session last night? You guys had a lot of people in Team Bull. It's great. Cool. Well. All right. I'll see you soon, bro. Bye. You guys had Asia session popping off last night in Team Bull. There was like 220 people in there. In Asia session. Which, if you didn't know, we trade live Asia every single day inside Team Bull. It's an exclusive perk of being a part of the Team Bull community. Jen and Gene go hard. I want to see us build above 25,700 for longs. I'm not watching that, like a touch of that level, but I'm watching for a build. It's a whole psych number. We failed to go above it yesterday, so if we can reclaim that level with strength above yesterday's highs, which you see here, that's what I'll look for a continued uptrend. Probably something like this, like where we build up, go above that, 700, build above, break down, move up, enter, and then continuation to the upside. Yep, we have live trading in the afternoon. Asia session. Jen and Juice for Asia. We can call him Juice. I'm gonna start calling him Juice. Kind of like OJ Simpson. The Juice. Gene stays killing the market and getting away with it. The Juice. Gene's new name is The Juice until further notice. Yep. Yep. Crazy story. 60-year-old started trading props almost 3 years ago. Purchased and blown 300 plus accounts and 80 accounts. I was streaky with periods of great success blown up. Attending your last training, not the most recent. It's made all the difference. 10 paying accounts now with much more consistency. All 10 paying accounts achieved your training. I still make mistakes, but far less. Appreciate all you do, DOD. That's amazing, Stinger. Wow. That's amazing, bro. That's awesome. I appreciate your kind words, my bro. So 60 years old, trading props for 3 years, purchased more than 300 plus accounts and 80 paying accounts. After the free live training, he has 10 paying accounts now with much more consistency. All 10 paying accounts achieved after your training. That's baller. That let's go ahead and mark out our levels. All right, guys, let's get it. Trade smart, trade safe, and choose discipline over dopamine today, everybody. Green screen video with... All right, guys. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused today. Let's have a second great trading day of 2026. Team Bull YouTube, my money team on YouTube, we got 600 people in here and less than 60 likes. Let's get that number up to 100. If you're ready to follow DOD today, if you're ready to make some money, trade smart, trade safe, and you're looking for another banger from yours truly, Jdun, hit that thumbs up button. Hit that thumbs up button, baby. Come on, let's get to over 100. Easy money. There we go. Just like that. I appreciate y'all being a part of this live every day. Genuinely. Appreciate y'all more than you know. Any day it's not crashing is above standard. That's honestly facts, though. We haven't had drop step in a while, which is good. It's good for the traders. It's kind of fun to poke fun here and there, but it is good for the traders if top steps on this game. Damn, Bitcoin's booming. I don't know how my XRP is doing. I only bought that like 5,000 worth. Oh, I'm up 15%. Cool. Sweet. That's dope. I told y'all I joined your XRP army back in the day. Like a month ago or something. Hey, listen, I'm a Bitcoin guy. Yep, there's that failure of that 446, 445 on Tesla, guys. I knew if we failed that, there was a good chance we'd hit 440. Weakness pre-market. Last demand intact was 446. We failed that. Immediately down to 440. Now we'll see how we react down here. Yeah, I'm a Bitcoin guy too. Big time Bitcoin guy. Let's go. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm going to wait the first 15 minutes per usual. Going to trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and stay patient. As long as we do that, we should find an A+ setup. Doesn't mean it's going to be a winning setup. A lot of the time it is. It means it's going to be A+. Check, check, check. All right, there we go. I might cut out for a second. Check, 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 check. There we go. Yeah, Bitcoin's the move. Bitcoin's the king. Make money trading, roll that into Bitcoin. So, guys, I should be getting my my Revuelto title in the mail today. I think it's going to be here today. I think it's time to sell that deal. Question is, where do we put the bread at? Do we put it into Bitcoin? Do I load up a futures account with 750 grand? An options account with 750 grand? Let's see. With Tradeovate's margin requirements, we could trade like 700 contracts of 700 minis of NASDAQ. Each point up and down, you make 14,000. 14,000. So you catch a 20-point banger, make quick 280 G's. Do something crazy. Romeo. We can be like day young. Come on, baby. Don't fear the reaper, baby. Take my hand. I was frozen on YouTube. I froze. Now it's working. Now it's working. Now we're good. The rule of thirds. Put 1/3 in each Bitcoin, an options account, and real estate as a tax shelter. Yeah, I can see that. That sounds like a good plan. Dunno. What are you watching for, Grizzly? See anything you like?
Yeah, I got straight up. I'm watching something just good confirming this candle.
Shorts, right?
Yeah, I'm looking for shorts, but I have to wait on the retracement. I can't take them.
Yeah, I need to rely shorts for the news pretty soon.
Trump is speaking at 10 a.m.
All right, let's get it. Baby, won't you have no fear? Have no fear. Jdun is here, and he's going to tell you to choose DOD over and over until you do it. That's why you should have no fear. I got my guru water today as well, my Saratoga still.
This candle's going to close with positive delta. I'm not looking to short based on business similar to you.
Yep, no trades for me yet either. Tesla followed, gameplay went down to 440, no bounce, so no trade. Maybe if we see some overall Tesla weakness, we can look for a retrace back into the 50%. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Hello, Gene the Bean.
¿Qué pasó?
Hey, TikTok chat. Apple user said it's my first time watching. Is he any good? Do you guys get value from this? Am I a good trader? Yes or no? Tell them what we do, chat. Do we kill it? It's not as me. Do we kill it? Do we kill it? I appreciate your kind words. I speak very minimal Spanish. I know very little bit. I know a lot of words, but I couldn't. If I asked me to go survive in Mexico, off Spanish, I couldn't do it. My 2-year-old's learning Spanish though. My 2-year-old's gonna know more Spanish than I do. What do you say, Greg?
Speaking in Spanish now, huh?
¿Qué? Yep, I'm gonna come on one day and just slowly be speaking Espanol.
Excelente.
Excelente, sí. All right, got about 4 more minutes until our 15-minute range is in. 4 minutes until our 15-minute range, 3 minutes until our 15-minute range is in. Staying patient. Gene is here. Brought coffee. Man's always bringing me the best coffee. Because I used to go get coffee at like 7 a.m. Mountain Time, but I started getting on the live earlier with you guys. Like I started getting on 30 minutes early. You guys probably noticed that a few months back. And so it's nice that Gene will go and on his way over to trade with me every day. Grab some coffee. I don't drink coffee either for the first hour after waking up. I wait for a minimum of an hour. I also don't drink coffee on an empty stomach anymore. Make sure I have something in there, even like some fruit. It's usually some fruit because I don't eat breakfast. Because when you drink coffee on an empty stomach, it spikes cortisol a lot. It's like 70 to 80% or something like that. So when you have a little food in your stomach, something even little like a banana or some blueberries or something, 15, 20 minutes before, the cortisol spike gives you significantly decreases. And as traders, we already get enough cortisol. We're already stressed out enough. So I was just, doing a little research and I was like, maybe I shouldn't be doing this on an empty stomach. And well, I love Huberman. I just think there's other ways to do it than gutting your internal lining and spiking it unnaturally. Don't worry, we all get our cortisol spikes every day from trading. You come and trade every day, put some risk on the table. Your cortisol is going to spike. Maybe a little less with DOD, but you choose DOD, you won't have as much stress. But I mean, some of y'all really be stressing yourselves to death in your trading. I mean, honestly, and how could you not? Like, if you're consistently, say you took shorts right here. I'm not saying that. I'm not taking a trade, but let's say you did. And you had no plan to stop above this candle or how many points you were going to stop. You just said, screw it, I'm taking shorts and I'm just going to hope it goes like this. Well, when you're trading like that, you end up seeing price move and move and move, and you get stopped out up here. And of course, you take a position here, get stopped here. That's extremely stressful, especially when it's not planned before. When you plan out your risk before, and you always have your risk defined and your risk visualized, it makes trading a lot less stressful. All right. News drop. We have our pre-market high and 15-minute high stacked as well.
See what I was talking about earlier when it came to red candle and the delta.
Yep. Yep. I'm going to wait for this next candle to form at least.
You are now in a supply of production. If you break above 25,708, it's supply, hourly supply will be about.
All right, guys, if we get a strong close up here with volume above 700, I will look for this pullback back down to the stacked 15-minute high and pre-market high for longs. We also have gold in the screen. Let's go ahead and mark out that 15-minute range. What I'd love to see is us just chill out here for a sec, like close like right here with higher volume. We go back and forth in this candle. So we could take the longs on the pullback here and we could target previous day highs up here at like 710 plus. That'd give us like a 40 plus point trade. I'm not sure we're going to get that, but that's what I would personally like to see. These are two trades I missed back to back for $10,000. I missed because I'm listening to this guy. Yes. I made you miss your $10,000. That is exactly what happened. A good thing you've probably been trading with me for a while, so I mean, you probably made tens of thousands of dollars in the last few weeks, right? Oh, but you didn't take those trades, huh? That's how it goes. I'm only responsible when I make you miss an imaginary trade. Okay. That makes a lot of sense. All right, guys, waiting for this candle close. I'm going to wait for a pullback down for longs if we get this close up here. You might have caught the trade if you weren't focused on the TikTok chat and you were focused on your trading instead. Just saying. Just saying, my boy. All right, we'll get it. Well, people got to understand too. What you understand in Team Bull is that I'm not looking for every single move. If I can take a piece of a move, get my piece of the pie, I'm satisfied. I don't need to catch every move up. I don't need to catch every move down. You can try, but that's how traders end up blowing themselves up. It's very hard to make and keep money consistently long-term as a trader. I mean, anyone can make money, right? It's honestly not that hard to quote-unquote make money. The really hard part is keeping it. And if you want to keep it, that's where quality over quantity comes in. We have 30 seconds left. We might get the strong candle close, so I'm fully focused on catching this trade. If we get the strong close here, I'll look for pullback down to like 680. It's the low here, 660. We could even go as high as like 690 for an early entry.
Is anyone in a trade right now?
No.
No.
You looking for longs or shorts? Me too. I'd just see a pullback, even to like 690 for a little early entry. I can't really go much higher than that. I mean, if we entered here, we'd have 50 points of risk. So. Let's see what that 50% retracement is. Yeah, can't do that yet. They might not give it to us, but I'm looking for a pullback for longs. A success. Come on. Even a pullback to 700, we could look at even with some lower size. If we went, say, a fourth size, half size, added that extra risk, but it's just not giving anything. It's important to remember too, guys. I don't trade breakouts. So like, even though we had strong close here, strong volume, I don't just buy on breakout. Now, if the low of this candle would have been like 30 points from breakout spot, maybe, but not when we have these levels so low. With stops at 662, would have had to have 12, like 50 points of risk.
Watching this level, 750.
This is from... You take any trades last night, Gene?
Yeah.
How'd they go?
Lost 16 points.
You lost 16 points?
Yeah.
Wow. Your win rate's not 100%? You're a fraud. You're a scam. How dare you call out a trade live and lose? You fraud scammer. You scam frauder. You hear that, guys? Gene doesn't have a 100% win rate. You're fired. 100% win rate's only allowed in Team Bull. That's how people online be to me. They're like, you lose one trade, you are a scam. You're a faker. It's like Elf when Will Ferrell goes and sees the fake Santa. He's a faker. He's not real. He's a capper. Yeah, that's a good one too. He's not the real Santa. When people come on to join Team Bull and trade with me and they're like, Jdun, your stream's boring. You don't trade. It's like, dude, it's been 18 minutes. And if people have this perception, you got to be trading all day. It's like, I mean, you can, but you're probably not going to be trading for very long. Or you will, but you just won't see any consistent progress. I don't know about you. I mean, I'd rather have boring trading and fun with the money outside of trading. I say this all the time, versus have fun trading and then have no money to spend outside of trading. I'm still willing to try this long if we get this move back down into these levels.
Which number are you looking?
It's a ways down, like 680. Maybe even 690. But my stop will be at 662. If I take the longs.
Let's see if we can do a double play.
Yep. Like to,
I'm watching 750 for rejection.
yeah, like to see it move down to here. Find some support. Stops below here. and then move up. That's what I would like to see happen. Will it happen? I don't know. But that's what I'd like to see happen. See if they give it to us. So it just depends. I mean, this trend looks intact. I don't like to trade the Aubrey test after 40 points, but we have these levels stacked here, so I'm still willing to do it. I'm not saying I'm guaranteed going to try if we touch here, but if we come down, touch, move up a little, I'm willing to try the longs with 20, 30 points of risk and then a hard stop below this level. So it's the only trade I'm willing to take right now. As a reminder, guys, while we're waiting, if you guys haven't signed up for my next free live training, make sure you guys get signed up. It's 100% free. I go over my entire strategy, my entire system, and I put you in a better spot the moment the training ends. If you guys haven't signed up yet, get yourself signed up for the next free live training. If you've never heard of one of my free live trainings, I'll tell you in chat. Chat, are they valuable or are they not valuable? Tell them, YouTube. You come spend 2 hours with Jdun. How are you coming out after? The next one is one day on Tuesday, January 13th. You can click that link that I just posted in chat, and you can join my next free live training on Tuesday, January 13th. If you're on TikTok, you can DM me on IG, on Instagram, Jdun Trades. I'll get you the link. No trades yet for me, guys. No pullback, no trade. No pullback, no trade for me, guys. No pullback, no trade. That's what it is. I know it's boring. I know it can make you choose patience watching price slowly move. Gene, you see Gerardo wants to go ski this weekend?
Yeah, I'm supposed to be everyone, I believe. Heads up.
It's supposed to dump this weekend. It's going to be freezing. On Friday, Gene, the high is going to be 17 in Vail. Saturday's going to be cold, too. It's going to be really cold. I'll go when it's really cold. I just don't love it. All right, gold got its orb closed, too. Not higher volume. You would have rather seen higher volume there.
Watching here. So if I see watching the price action.
I do have a tax advisor. Yep. I don't do any of my own taxes. You kidding me? Heck no. Bro, I've paid so much money in taxes, it's actually sickening. Enough to buy a multiple Bugattis. Let that sink in. I'd be Bugatti done if it weren't for the IRS. That's it. I'm starting a daycare. I do pay quarterly. Yep. I got some good tax strategies in place that have saved me a lot in the last 2 years, but still, people don't understand when you make money, unless you own a crap ton of commercial real estate, you're going to pay taxes on what you make. Or if you move to Puerto Rico, and I've thought about that. I've thought about moving to Puerto Rico, but I like being close to my family. Honestly, I look at time as the most valuable asset, right? I like being close to my mom and my grandma and my kid, I don't want to just see it a life while saving money in Puerto Rico would be great. I've thought about it. It still technically is on the table, but it's just not something I've been willing to do. I'm going to be getting started too, Team Bull, on the section where it says trading education. Within the next week, there should be some material in there with the beginner course, the orb strategy breakout, and my VPA trading guide. I'm getting a lot of organized education only inside Team Bull, not just a bunch of random YouTube videos. I'm making you guys a specific beginner guideline set to make sure you guys are confident when you're trading with me every day in my strategy. Damn, AMD died too. Woo! Excuse me. Another one. Woo! It's always a double whammy. Price is pushing up, guys. I'm not trading it without a pullback. No pullback, no trade. There is times where I'll take the quote-unquote breakout, but it's only with defined risk. It's very rare. Falling. As a reminder, too, guys, Tradeify is 30% off. If you want daily payouts, you can use code Jdun in the select accounts for 30% off on Tradeify. Free falling now. No pullback, no trade. That's right. Gene, when are the Broncos going to play again? Damn, we have like 11 days of no Broncos football. Fun. Bro, we need... Oh, let's see. So this gold orb did break out, but it was on lower volume, so I'll watch this price action, but not sure we'll take anything. Pause. Damn, you know what is also cool, Gene? Is that J.K. Dobbins might be able to come back for the AFC Championship game when we get there. I mean, we'll get there easy. I mean, what do you got to do? Play the Texans or the Steelers? Easy. All right, we're at the orb spot on gold, guys. I'm not gonna take this personally. We didn't have the volume requirements I'd want, but for my gold traders, we are touching that 15-minute high. Doesn't quite fit my criteria. I'm an Aaron Rodgers fan, for sure. I like Aaron Rodgers a lot. But my Broncos are going to cook. By the way, Gene, your new name is Juice. Yep. Juicy Gene. Now Asia session is called Jen and Juice. There's multiple reasons why your name is Juice, actually.
Stop. That I'm getting resolutions. I'm getting hit.
Rose the Juice. See if you get my pullback.
Okay, cool. Hit anything?
Nope.
Wait, what's back here?
No pullback, no trade. Gold orb started to hit, but I'm not taking it. Jen and Juice is fire. Jen thinks so too. Yeah, honestly, I'm changing Asia live session name to Jen and Juice. Gene likes being called Juice. He's the juice. He's killing the market and getting away with it every day.
I don't know what size of shorts. Isn't it cute? Man.
All right. Grizzly just took the shorts, guys. I'm not anything. Grizzly and Team Bull just took the shorts.
Man, cute short. 3 to 5 is all you get to trade with me.
I'm personally waiting, but Grizzly did take the shorts. So you guys know. Good luck, my boy.
Confirmation on the candle and higher volume. Only AUVs on consistent 25,800 before rejecting.
Personally, no trades for me. Grizzly, I hope your shorts go crazy.
Jdun, I said, if you can make the 500. We have more supply there. Let's see what we do here.
Still would love to see a pullback into this like 700 area. 700 to like 680. That'd be good for you too. Good for everybody. I'd get my long entry and price will get a nice retracement. Everybody wins.
Get a 5-minute close above 7. You know, have to get out everyone. That doesn't mean I won't re-enter around 25,800 to confirm there.
This is your you.
3 to 5 AMQ. This should be just a paper cut. Never position where you can blow your account.
Oh. My chest is sore from yesterday. I hit it hard. No, I love feeling that sore, like when you move and you're like, oh yeah, that's good. I hit it hard. Yep, from working out, feeling good.
If it closes above London high, which is 72.75, if you get a 5 close above that, I'll be out this trade. It'll be invalid, but we do have another supply right above this one. Be surprised if we don't get some kind of pullback here. I'd like to play it down to our bounce area, ideally. Like 6.5 area.
Yes, trading silver is crazy.
Yeah, that's mad. That's crazy.
Crazy. Micro, you can still blow your account in 5 minutes.
You can show guys. You can show.
Joining the short version.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Entry 742.
Whole party. Greg is also in the shorts and team bowl. I have not taken any positions yet,
Stop losses as
but
usual.
both Grizzly and Greg have taken the shorts. I am in no positions.
Those that got in this training, maybe you go highs or whatever. So, you know, right here, your entry or whatever, like 10 points in profit. Take a little risk off if you would like.
Hopefully,
That way, if it does turn into a trade, you're not over position.
5 minute chart looks decent. I wish you would have had more vol. If you would have had more volume on this last candle, I probably would have joined you.
There was a candle before that for me.
So higher, 73. Hopefully this pays for you guys.
Okay, we're green now. I just went a little further for a trim if you want.
It's the high here, 73.
Still like the bounce that we was talking about earlier.
Hopefully you can get a move down to like 680, 700. That'd give you a really nice trade.
Yeah.
Again, both Grizzly and Greg are in those shorts from above.
Right. We can start trim here. When you first trim, move your stop to entry, okay?
Grizzly's trimming down here, moving his stops to entry. Nice job, guys.
Next trim for me will be previous day high, 25708. Right around that area.
Nice job, bro.
First trade of the year, green.
Juice, you got any trades?
Stop loss are breaking it now. We came on.
Stop loss at entry. On the rest of your position.
What's up, Juice?
It's a trade.
Call me Big Juice.
Big Juice.
Yeah, everyone has to pop it.
It's only a weekend.
Still in this, everyone has to hit my entry. Only trim one time. Next trim will have to be around 25708.
I might end up hitting the slopes this weekend. We'll see. I'm debating it. I've went like 10 or 11 days this year. I've been skiing a lot this year. Trying to get like 30 plus days. I love skiing.
Let's see if you can clean. In the case, 756. That's it.
Got my entry, everyone.
What's up, Big Juice?
What's going on over here? What are your shoes?
Right, it's over. One trim. I'll take some sushi.
Locked in some sushi money. I mean, I didn't, but
This mistake.
Trump is speaking right now, so gotta be careful. How about Nebraska basketball? 15-0. If we had a key level up here that we swept, I'd think about trying shorts with stops above the highs, but I don't want to fade. I don't want to fade this trend. I wanted to see a deeper pullback first for longs. So I'm not going to short this. I was really hoping that we'd get a pullback into like the 700 area, 700 down to like 680. Got a potential. I'm not a big flag trader, but got a bull flag formation playing out too.
Real quick, team, the last one I know what I'm watching here. Just 25,800 here. Be another react I'll watch. As far as bounces go, around that 86 to 75 area from lower belt. 85 to 86 area.
Let me get this money. I was tempted to try a longs position in this candle, but I just don't have the volume I'd want to see. Like this could be the higher low, and you keep stops below this previous 5-minute low. You'd be basically betting that we break out of this and test new highs. Just doesn't quite have the volume I like to see for a systematic entry. I want to get this money. Definitely looks like it wants to keep going up, though. Not going to see me shorten this.
There's a wearable sample, so let's see.
There it goes. What's up, young Lord Dagger? What's good, everybody? Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, guys, I am live on YouTube as well as TikTok. So if you're on TikTok and you want full screen share, you want to see how I'm charting, make sure you guys go type Jdun Trades into YouTube and come tap in with the squad. We're growing every day. Jdun Trades on YouTube. We're growing our community every day. My trading is a bit boring. I don't take a lot of trades, but our win rate stays high. And there's a reason why you see so many of my students getting payouts and making progress. The system works. Eugene. Oh, he's not in here. He's in the kitchen. Huh. I did trade yesterday. We took one winning trade yesterday. Staying patient, guys. No new setups from me. Staying patient. No. No gold setup for me either. We'll see how gold reacts at this 50% retracement here. If you're on screen share. You just got to choose DOD, Trish, W Dogs. Just choose discipline over dopamine every day. If you can do that, you'll be in a much better spot. So we did technically make a higher low in this candle, but still not enough for me to try. I'm going to stay very patient. I'm going to wait till this pull back down to like 700 to 680. That's my high probability area for a bounce. Otherwise, we'll have to wait to see what price action gives us. I'll be here for at least another hour. Want to come say hi to everyone quick, Gene?
Maybe.
Or Juice? Come say hi to Juice, everybody. Juice is here. Juice is here.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Oh, it's all warm over here.
What's up, Jim?
What's up, Matt? How's it going?
Waiting for another train.
You getting a full port?
English shots, maybe. Maybe English shot. Come on, wait. It's going crazy, guys.
What's your bounce level?
700 to 680. Get there, buy. No hesitation.
All right. Jdun said I could buy if we get to 680 to 700. It was good. Yeah, sometimes I trade gold. Made a rookie mistake yesterday. I let a green trade go red.
Some Juice?
I'm waiting for the entry. You're still far away. It's good coffee.
Damn, Brandon's BA is moving higher, huh? Damn, everyone's telling Gene to full port my account. That's crazy. Y'all want Gene to rip my account. You be your own people. Order filled.
What?
What do you say, Greg?
What?
That was a good one too. That was a good one. That was. I knew that was going to get somebody. Oh. Greg said. What? Wow. I got someone all hyped up. Oh, got everyone paying attention. Watch, we're gonna get that move down into 740s. We got that potential higher low. Not low enough for me though. We probably likely end or move up to like 800 now. As a reminder, guys, 90% off Apex ends tonight. The PA fee is extended through Sunday, but 90% off ends tonight, everyone. If you want to lock in up to 20 accounts on Apex, you can use code Jdun. I'm not saying you copy trade all those, but today's the last day. Whoops.
When people actually watches my Trump or my live share, I'm curious.
You guys see my email? There's not a lot going on there. Just Hormozy, TPT, Coinbase, me buying my $3,000 a day. Apex 90% off. Tradeify, Bloomberg, History Facts. Got my History Facts email. Oh, and my Webull statement too. Ooh. Oh, and my land title because I just sold a house. Well, almost. I'm under contract to one of my houses. If you guys didn't see my personal IG story, I'm under contract to one of my houses I've had listed forever, which is great. Thank you. I mean, obviously you don't want to get too excited until you close, but we're under contract. The terms are good. The buyers are she's very good, qualified, not asking for a lot. So as long as the inspection goes well, should all be good. Yeah, in this market, I got to find out what I'm going to do with the money. I want to invest it.
Silver's in my rotation level at rejecting now.
Buying 20 Hellcats.
Gene says I should.
610.
Gene says buy 20 Hellcats. Juice needs a Hellcat. Yeah, making some change on it too. Not a lot of money, but for the real estate market right now, I bought it for 155. Put probably 50 grand into it. Man, no, not even 50 grand. Probably put like 40 grand into it. All in all. And then selling for 1.73. So after fees and whatnot, we'll still make some money. We'll take it. No trades for me yet, guys. I wanted to see us move down into the zone, a little deeper pullback. Arguably could have taken this breakout here, but not quite the pullback I wanted to see. So just staying patient. Just staying patient, everybody. As a reminder, TikTok, if you hear me talking about charting, I'm on YouTube doing the charting. So you can go to Jdun Trades on YouTube. That's where you can get my full screen share. I live trade there as well. If you're serious about trading and leveling up and learning my system, I recommend that you go to YouTube, get in a computer, throw it up, and listen to the whole stream. If I've helped you guys in your trading, if I help you get funded and get paid, if you enjoy the live stream, make sure you guys tap in and get yourself an Apex account. Use code Jdun. 90% off ends today. All right, everybody. Let's see. Still got an hour or so. Got plenty of time. No trades for me. No deep pullbacks, no trade. Higher volume again here, but lower candle size. I mean, I still think we trend up, but just not something I personally want to take part in quite yet. Let's see how our 15-minute chart looks. 15 minutes still strong as well. Really want to see that 700 area pull back. Still can. I'm still open to it.
Yeah, guys, silver is rejecting now. It took a push call now. That level 610.
Yep. If you guys can't get access through the link, or if you want access to my next free live training or the Discord, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to my next free live training.
Rejection on silver. I'm closing this column. It's a lot of money. Anyone took that level 610? On silver.
I'm still watching for this pullback down. It would be a little sketchy. I mean, the chart would look, we're definitely gonna have to use some caution if we get an aggressive push down, but this is still my bounce area. It's not pretty, but there it is on screen share.
Yeah, guys, I took the short that push call. That's a lot of money.
Up.
That level. Why is 610? I think so. Can be silver team.
I love driving my Honda. I love my humble Honda. 2012 Honda Accord. That car has been, I was just telling someone yesterday, that car's been through everything with me. And I've had the Honda since that's all I could afford. Wasn't even paid off. Now it's paid off. But that's all I had. Had that deal for
Silver is SI.
I honestly like.
Rejecting. Sorry.
No, you're good. Go ahead, Greg. You good?
No, no, sorry. Yeah, just telling that level was paying good. It's paying good.
I don't have payments on any of my cars. I own my Lambos cash. I own my truck cash. I own my car cash. I don't have any debt, which is arguable. People can say it's a good thing and a bad thing, but I just don't like having good debt. Can be a good thing. A lot of these gurus have supercars and they're paying massive interest payments. I don't have any interest. I don't make payments on my cars. I own my cars cash. Yeah, my Honda has a 4-cylinder. That deal is slow. I like driving the Honda too. One of the reasons I like driving the Honda is, I swear, this is going to sound super bougie, but like driving a Lambo is very much so exhausting. Like, got to worry about potholes. People are looking at you. They're taking pictures of you. It's easy to go fast and speed. Versus the Honda, you kind of chill in your own little lane. You just kind of do your own thing. It's great. Why do you quote unquote good debt? What's wrong with good debt? Mind you, I don't have any debt. But I'm saying there can be good, like for investments, there can be sides for good debt. Bad debt sucks. Like if you have a real estate property and your interest rate is 3 to 4%, right? And you can use that extra money you'd put down to make 7 to 8%, you're net positive 4%. Mind you, I own my primary property too. I don't have debt on my primary, which is arguably financially not the best decision. I like knowing that I don't have a high cost of living. Like a lot of these gurus, lots of gurus have a very high cost of living. I don't. I like to keep my cost of living low. It makes trading a lot less stressful too. You know, you never want to increase your income and also increase your cost of living too much. I mean, yeah, I think you got to spend money to make money in some senses, but a lot of these people trap themselves having a good year trading and then increasing every cost of their living, and then takes one pullback or one bad streak to put you in a bad spot.
The ticker is SIH640 on Tado Bait. I'm trading you as well. But my advice to you guys is practice first. Okay.
Need a guru hat.
Practice first because it's
Nice. GMC 3500, a diesel. That's dope.
give you a lot of money, a lot. Yeah, you can finish your account in 2 seconds. That's why you need to practice first. So I was doing a physical to be honest.
No trades for me yet, everybody. No trades for me. Staying patient.
Yeah, I'm back to NQ and looking at this level 750. See if you take the shots or not. I already have 2 green trades, one on NQ, one on silver. I've gone for another one.
I didn't miss out. Nothing fit my system, so I didn't trade. It's as simple as that. I see a big move. I don't think I missed out. If I have a systematic setup that I missed, then I missed out.
About silver. Price action of silver is really good. Really
All right. Let's see here. Come on. Give us a deeper pullback.
Which number are you looking, Jdun?
I mean, I'm looking for a deeper pullback into like 700 down to like 680. Aggressive pullback down, and then potential long entry down in my zone here.
Okay.
So I'm a ways away. I'm a ways away from taking anything.
Have you taken anything?
Me? Nope. No trades.
Just wing it.
Just winging it. Just winging it. We're getting another strong volume candle here. See if that ends up giving us a move. I think my biggest days this year are going to come from downtrend days anyway. I mean, that's what my data says. I mean, I'll make money to the upside. I mean, good money to the upside. I make a lot of money to the downside. Which I'm okay with. You know, I follow my data, follow my plan. I'm looking to trade the entire year. So if I go a day without trading,
Taking the short, guys. Taking the shorts.
Greg in the shorts. Greg's in the shorts again. I am not in any positions right now. Greg is in the shorts inside Team Bull. I, Jdun, am not in any positions at the moment. No trades yet for me today. It's a good candle for the downside, though. That candle looks good for you.
Thank you.
Heavier selling volume.
65. Nice stop.
The Western civilization. We sweep 800 yet? If we would have swept 800, I'd say look for a pop up for a short entry, but we didn't sweep 800 yet.
Price over profit. Entering yet.
Man, some shorts again, everyone. MMPD shorts. I want my average to be in the 40s.
Grizzly and shorts too.
Off above previous 5 minutes. So let's go live. Click the first trade with me. Let's go live. Position break even day if this goes red.
I don't hate the idea.
It's 5-minute candle. I didn't mean to talk over anyone.
Well, you're not.
Shorts again, everyone. Shorts again.
You guys gonna be trading some here.
Okay, Sean, don't know.
Were you trading? I didn't hear you trading.
He was in shorts before you were.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. You just joined him on him. Tea, but it's made in the Hollywood basement. All right.
Gonna stop over. Small trade. Who's got?
I hate how we're holding that 730.
This previous day high, you know.
Man, they stopped me out. The runners break even. Green trade. And that's gonna turn hard.
Uh-oh, the grunts here. Okay, Sean.
Let's see what can bring to the shorts.
I'm going to join you on the light size of some shorts here in the 40s.
Right goes bad.
I tried a light size of the shorts up there with hard stops at 773, 774.
Push down to previous day high. 25,708.
There we go. See if we can push further down.
Keep pushing down there.
Need at least 20 plus points to make this R positive. So below 20, we can look to start trimming. We're green right now, but it's not R positive with the risk we had. So we need about 5 more points. There we go. Come on. I'm going to take a little off here, guys. Trimming here. Trimming here, everybody. Nice job, Grizzly. Trimming here, guys. Yep. Stops at entry, everybody. Come on. Move further down.
708 will be my next trim.
That candle looks good. Come on, guys. Let's keep this pushing down. But a trim down below 20. I'd like to see previous day high at 711. Come on.
Making money with empty shorts.
Yeah, let's go, guys. Come on. I'd like to see previous day high. Come on.
Winning trades to start the year.
Yes, sir. Come on, baby.
Nice trade, everyone. Give us a little lower. I didn't get filled on that. Did anybody get the trim off at 710 there?
Come on. Oh, whoops.
Went ahead and trimmed one more time. It didn't fill my orders. I don't know if it didn't hit.
Someone's on the pen. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. Move down, baby. Told you, one good trade today is all it takes. One good trade today is all it takes, baby. That's all it takes.
I got my stop at 740 now.
Yep, that's where my stop is too. That's crazy, Grizzly. Are you here watching me?
Always watching.
Are you watching me?
Trade. Nice trade.
I really think
You-
Gene's on your side. He's my spy.
Gene's spying for you. Bro's spying for you.
So we'll make money with empty shorts with the team. Shorts are hard to swing.
Come on. We want lower. We got that previous day high too, the almost $1. We want lower though. I want to see us come down and retest this 15-minute high. If we can get this, oh baby. Oh baby.
There's a lot of solid setups in this area. Maybe in the bounce.
Everyone's stop should be at break even.
Now, 675 would be the area I'd watch.
Well,
25, 675.
I'll do a trade recap too once trade's over. The whole squad went crazy. That was nice, huh, Gene? Yes, sir. Let's go. Stops are at 740, everybody. We might bounce that previous day high. We may bounce previous day high. Hoping we make this lower high here. Come on. Make the reversal. Make reversals great again. I gotta know, Team Bull. Let's get some positive energy flowing in here. There's a lot of negative in the world. A lot of stress, a lot of negative. But in here in Team Bull today, we're feasting. If you guys made some money, type how much we're paying ourselves today. If you guys took those shorts with any of us. Talk to me if you guys took that trade. How are you guys sitting today? How we sitting, Team Bull? Good energy only. How much you guys make off that trade? 793, 221, 150, 700, 760. Textbook setup. 550, 250, 300, 585. $400. $1,000 times 10. 10K, 230, 1100. Come on, baby. Let's go. All the time. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Now send it in the gulag. Send it in the gulag. As a reminder, I teach you how to do this yourself. You don't have to rely on my signals to do this if you join the free live training. Join the free live training, guys. It's on Tuesday, January 13th. Tuesday, January 13th, guys. You leaving? See you, bro. I like that Nuggets jacket.
Keep it. Keep it.
Keep it. If I helped you guys learn to make money today, then you'll love the free live training. Stops are at 740.
I saw the price action pointing down. Rejecting this level, that's why I took the short. 750 guys.
One good trade today is all it takes.
They were playing around for a little bit at this level. That's why I was waiting.
All right. We're still in the trade. Yep. Let's see. Come on. 7 p.m. Eastern time. $7 p.m. Eastern time. Come on. Die. We want lower. Name Grizzly. That was awesome. Come on. This looks good, guys. If we can just get a flush below 710, we should go retest these key levels down here. We got a flush below the 710, 711 area, that previous day high. We need to flush that. If we flush that, we'll be good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Come on. Push. Come on. Push. Push, 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 push. Downwards dog. Yoga time. Downwards dog, baby. Come on. Come on. We want downwards dog. How about it, Grizzly Glock? Let's go. Come on. Come on. We went down to 680. If you guys haven't trimmed yet, I would personally trim down here. All right, we're taking a little more off, guys. Taking a little more off here. Final stops are putting down to 725. Final stops down at 725, baby. Come on. Let's go. Yo. Let's go, baby. Yes, yes to the literal yes, baby. That's what I'm talking about. This is exactly what we wanted to see. From 740 all the way down to 690. That's 50 points. That is exactly what we wanted to see, everybody. Come on.
I'll be all out on this trade in the 80s. If we can break 25, 6 80s, that's the price target.
Me too.
87.
Previous key levels.
My internet falling off and it kicked out. Yeah, I was in for a second.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Give us more. We want more. Starting off 2026 on a good note. 2 for 2. 2 days live trading. 2 days of dubs. That's what we do. Come on, baby. So now watch. Everyone who left the stream early is going to say, Jdun, well, you don't trade. You didn't trade today. Well, no, you just didn't stick around.
Trade is over for me, everyone. Get my final prop right there. You have more run, please. Let him run. The last person I had.
Trade's over for you, Grizzly.
Over, man. This is the area I was actually watching for a bounce. Welcome, Neo.
Oh, my gosh. All right, guys. I'm out down here. This was the area I was watching for a bounce earlier. I'm completely out down here. Completely out down here, guys. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I told y'all Paydon was coming out to play today. I told y'all Paydon was coming out. Let's go. Yes, 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 baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, my boy. Come on now. Come on now.
This is my only bounce I have.
Do we flip the script now? Let this candle confirm and go long? No, I'm done for the day.
Two winning trades. I think I'm just gonna call it. Well, this bounce, you were like, man, getting trades to start the trading year.
Let's go. Just under 3 racks for the day too, baby. Come on now. Come on. Come on. 2 for 2 to start the year. 1, 1, 4, 1 on the day. I told y'all I got your back. You come in here every day with me and rock with me and just stay for an hour or 2 a day. I'll help get you paid. Not perfect. I will lose trades. That was all Grizzly. What do you mean? I had my own entry criteria. I entered like 5 minutes after Grizzly did. I take my own trades. If you're here to learn from me, you learn from me. I always tell people that. Like, you don't join Team Bull for other people I've traded with me. You join for me. You should follow one mentor. You rock with me, I will lead you to the promised land. I will lead you to DOD. Appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button. Appreciate y'all hitting that subscribe button. Appreciate y'all rocking with me. Grizzly's great. I'm just saying you don't want to take trades from 10 different people. Grizzly's been with Team Bull for 4 years. He's great. I'm just saying you shouldn't be taking every trade you hear. Like, we have our team because they bring people in. But if you're taking trades from 5 different people, it's not going to be a good situation for you. That's why we've changed the whole structure of Team Bull. All I'm saying is you shouldn't be taking signals from 10 different people. That's all I'm saying. I don't want you to be signal takers. I want you guys to be systematic traders. That's why I try to teach you every day. I appreciate you guys rocking with me, hitting that follow button, hit that subscribe. Look at us hitting this bounce now too. Let's see how this ends up playing out. And if you're here live too, all I ask for you guys is to tap in and use code Jdun. If you guys are trading with prop firms, Tradeify, Alpha Futures, Funded Next, or Apex. I'd love to take your signal if you would tell us what it was. Bro, I couldn't have been more transparent about what I was doing. Also, if you want to learn this strategy so you can use it yourself, make sure you join the free live training. It's in the pinned comment on YouTube. You can also DM me on Instagram as well. You can also DM me on Instagram as well, Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free live training. I'll put the link for the free live training on YouTube as well. I want to turn you into a profitable trader on your own without me in 2026. It's Tuesday, January 13th. And if you want the recording, you'll need to be signed up as well. So I'll post that link in the YouTube chat right now. Make sure you guys go get signed up. Who's all planning on being there? Who's all coming on the 13th with me? Who's all coming to learn and become confident in themselves? Who's all coming? Who's all clicked that link and signed up? Free live training, Tuesday, January 13th, next Tuesday. All right, guys. I'm going to recap this trade quick. If you guys want the trade recap on YouTube, and all like 500 people on TikTok, I'm doing the trade recap on YouTube. So, Jdun Trades, if you want to see the trade recap, I'm doing it right now in about 2 minutes. Go to YouTube, type in Jdun Trades, make sure you guys subscribe, and you can watch me do the trade recap, okay? Bro, Hunter's nice on the slopes. I'm not even going to lie. Bro's fast. I'm like really good at skiing. Hunter's incredible. I mean, I can do black diamonds, right? I'm good. Like, you watch me shred, you're like, holy shit, this tall, ogre-looking 7-foot guy can shred. But Hunter's really, really good, bro. Like, really, really good. All right, doing the trade recap on YouTube. Head on over. All right, guys. So for that trade, the reason I decided that I was going to take that trade was we saw the failure to go higher up here. We saw increasing selling volume with a strong body candle here, rising selling volume. So for me, it was worth it to risk a reversal, right? To try the shorts in here, stops above the 773. We had about 23 points of risk, or 30 points of risk, excuse me, 30 points of risk max. So for me, I was looking for a move down into this previous zone, this previous day high, which is 711, and then ultimately down to these key levels right here. So for me to try this reversal when we had defined risk and solid volume confirmation, that's an A+ setup for me. Zach, 2,900. If I would have gotten a full size move on this for downside, it would have been a 10K plus day or 10K plus day, but it's all right. We'll take it. We're going base hits all 2026. Let's see how this ends up playing out too. So for me, whenever I can define my risk and visualize my risk, that's what I'm looking for, guys. We have solid selling volume with full body confirmation. So when we get the retest back up, I'm a retest trader, guys. I trade lower highs and higher lows. I always want to make sure that I'm joining a potential trend move or a trend move with as little of risk as possible. That's why you don't see me breakout trading a lot. I'm not taking the longs on here. I'm likely done for the day. If we get some sort of reversal candle up with a wick, I'll look for a reversal with stops below the low for a move back up. But right now, I'm just waiting. My strategy is very boring. How I trade is very boring. But it gets me paid. It allows me to have a fun life outside of trading. You can have a fun trading strategy and have all the dopamine. Well, you won't have very much fun the rest of your day. You won't have very much fun living paycheck to paycheck. You won't have very much fun rinsing and recycling funded accounts over and over. You want to change your life with trading. It starts with changing your mindset to being okay with boring. Well, you'd be surprised. People think that, oh yeah, so now I couldn't take this long. Tell me, chat, why couldn't I take this long? Why wouldn't I try longs right here yet? From what you've learned from me, why wouldn't I try longs? Your strategy is getting me wins. Let's go, baby. Because we have an aggressive full body candle with rising volume. So for me, it's risky. Now, I'd almost look for a retest back into here with stops above this candle up here. Personally, I'm not taking that. I'm not taking any more trades likely. I'm really trying to stay focused and disciplined and just having one good trade a day, keeping it, locking it up. Yep, see, we retest back in there. Now, you guys saw that textbook go, right? We retest back up into here. After this aggressive candle down, now we're moving further, right? You guys saw that in real time. It wasn't a signal, but what I want you guys to understand is the why. I want you guys to get used to and comfortable looking at these moves and recognizing them yourself so that you can become confident in these setups on your own. I ultimately want you guys to be confident traders on your own. I don't want you to be signal takers. Yeah, mega trade from that initial entry. I can't see it all. If I could, it'd all be great. Put your pictures on my wall. All right. I'm going to make this trade recap for Team Bull. I'm making you guys something for my channel, guys. Uploads, upload files. Oh, shit. I gotta get the crap. Dang it. I forgot to include the volume in my screenshot I took. Can't teach just part of the strategy. Pass 2 evals using code Jdun and following your moves today. That's incredible. Let's go. That is so fire. I told y'all I got your back, baby. DOD. Discipline over dopamine every day. All right, let's see here. Elements. I'm making this recap for Team Bowl, then I'll be talking a bit more. I entered to reversal. Then observe the rising selling pressure in or volume below. Okay. Want to retest into our aggressive entry 730, 740. Well, that looks like a reversal candle right there. And we see the move trend in that direction. I'm not in the longs, no. All right, guys, I'm posting the recap in my Jdun Trades channel. We saw price reversing with strong selling volume coming in. When we saw the full body close, we wait for retest into that candle with stops near the highs. Our risk must always be defined and visualized. We then stayed That was dope, everybody. That was cool. Huge W today. We love it. Did A run on that trade, but held it all the way. Good. Perfect. Oh. Woo. It's been almost 2 hours. Almost 2 hours. You guys liking those trade recaps on my channel? My Jdun Trades channel? You guys enjoying those trade recaps and the new layout of the Discord? I truly feel the best I've felt about Team Bull in a very long time in terms of value, organization, and path. And just wait till I get all these education sections done. It's going to be crazy. It's going to go crazy. I don't hate longs down here. I'm not in, but I don't hate them with this candle. You just have to have stops below 640, which if you try longs here, you just have to keep stops below 640. L-Town up, Lincoln's up, baby. It's really the best place for new traders. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Apex or Tradeify as a new trader? Tradeify. I love Apex. It's the most scalable firm. But Tradeify is very beginner friendly. You can also get daily payouts on the select account. You can use code JDUN for 30% off. It's the final day of Apex is 90% off as well. You can stack as many accounts as you like for cheap. Yeah, Tradeify, the select accounts is what I recommend. We're going to beef. Let's fight, Nigel. All right, well, we can at least agree on Tradeify being fire. 3-day pass on their select accounts to daily payouts. No intraday realized. Unrealized, excuse me. It's end of day drawdown. Fire. Funded Next is good too. Funded Next new Bolt accounts are great. Yep, you do have to get to your buffer. But you could still get paid out, technically speaking, on day one. She'll go. Nope, Tradeify over Lucid all day, every day. Tradeify, Alpha Futures. We also had another trader get paid out with Vanquish. That's the options and stock trading prop firm. Code JDUN will get you 50% off. Tradeify also has straight to funded accounts as well if you can deal with the consistency rule. Yep, buffer is a threshold for you to get a payout. Go insane. All right, guys. I'm going to mob off here soon. Make sure you guys are all signed up for the free masterclass, free live training this next Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Sure, y'all get signed up. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. If you guys are in the longs, stops must be below 640. And I'll see you guys for Power Hour today. I'll see you guys for Power Hour, all right? God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. Glad we can catch another winner today. Remember, it's Apex's last day of 90% off, so you're looking to stack accounts. Use code Jdun and get 90% off. I appreciate y'all's support, and let's keep winning for Power Hour. I'll see you guys in a few hours. Peace. Adios, guys. God bless. Make sure you guys hit that follow button. And if you want access to the free live training, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades on Instagram. Send me a DM. Mention that you're from the free live stream, and I'll get you guys access. Peace, everybody.